Here I have Xiaomi Redmi S2 and let me show you how to enter the Fastboot mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose power off and tap power off again just to confirm the whole operation. Let's wait a few seconds, and afterwards, when your device is completely switched off, let's use this combination of keys, power key and volume down. So let's hold down together these two keys for a couple of seconds, keep holding both keys and release them as soon as Fastboot mode pops up. So this is the Fastboot mode of your Xiaomi smartphone. If you would like to quit this mode, let's press power key for a long time. Let me show you. Keep holding power key and release power as soon as phone goes black. Now the device is simply restarting and rebooting into a normal mode. Excellent, the device is in a normal mode, so now you can use your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.